Smells like Teen Spirit solo. First fret, 5th string, then 4th fret, then plus 2 to 6th fret, then 1st fret, put on the 4th string. Then again go in the 5th string, 4th fret, then bend it like this. You can try as many tries if you find this hard, because sometimes you'll get this. Your open 4th string will like sound like look. If you get it hard, try and try again until you can do it. Then okay, so you got this. After you bend, 2nd fret, 5th string, 1st fret, 3rd fret, then 3rd fret, 1st fret, then bend the 3rd fret, and it's 4th string. Then again, 1st fret, then repeat it again like the same. Then open 1st fret, 4th string. Then after this, 3rd string, 3rd fret. Thank you for listening. I hope you understand it, because yeah, it's very hard to teach, and yeah, I haven't uploaded. Yeah, sorry guys. I'm just so busy. Yeah, go.